If you own or manage a commercial building in Frederick, you know how important it is to control operating costs. One often overlooked way to save money is replacing outdated or inefficient windows. Commercial window replacement might seem like a large upfront investment, but it can deliver surprising cost benefits that pay off for years to come. First and foremost, modern commercial windows are designed for energy efficiency. Many older buildings still have single-pane or poorly sealed windows, which allow heat to escape in winter and creep inside in summer. This puts a huge strain on HVAC systems, driving up energy bills every month. New windows with double or triple glazing, advanced low-E coatings, and tight seals help regulate indoor temperatures year-round. That means your heating and cooling systems won't have to work as hard, reducing both your energy consumption and your costs. Energy savings can quickly add up. For many Frederick business owners, the reduction in utility bills alone makes commercial window replacement worthwhile. Over time, those lower energy costs offset the initial price of the project, turning it into a smart financial decision rather than just an aesthetic upgrade. Another key benefit is reduced maintenance costs. Old commercial windows often come with repeated repair needs, from leaky seals to rotting frames to broken locks and latches. Constant repairs not only cost money but also disrupt your business operations and annoy your tenants or employees. Modern replacement windows are made from durable materials like vinyl, fiberglass, or advanced aluminum that resist rot, warping, and corrosion. Their improved hardware lasts longer, requiring less upkeep and fewer service calls. Over the years, this saves you time, money, and frustration. Improved comfort is another cost-saving advantage. If your building is drafty or experiences uneven temperatures, tenants or employees may complain, or worse, leave. Unhappy tenants can result in higher turnover and vacancy rates, directly affecting your bottom line. By installing energy-efficient commercial windows, you help create a comfortable indoor environment, increasing tenant satisfaction and retention. Keeping your tenants happy means you spend less on marketing vacant units and dealing with turnover costs. New windows can also boost the value of your commercial property. Updated, energy-efficient windows are a selling point for potential buyers or tenants who prioritize sustainable and cost-effective features. This means you can justify higher rents or a higher sale price when the time comes. Think of commercial window replacement as a way to future-proof your investment while staying competitive in the Frederick real estate market. There is also a security benefit to consider. Many modern commercial windows include stronger frames and advanced locking systems that deter break-ins and vandalism. By improving the safety of your building, you reduce the risk of property damage and theft, which can keep your insurance premiums more manageable. Finally, modern windows can improve your building's curb appeal. A refreshed, professional look not only attracts customers and tenants but also strengthens your brand image. People notice details, and a well-maintained building signals that you take pride in your business. In the end, commercial window replacement is about more than looks, it's a strategic investment. For Frederick business owners, upgrading your windows can cut energy bills, lower maintenance costs, improve tenant satisfaction, increase property value, and even boost security. If you're thinking about ways to save money while adding long-term value to your commercial property, it might be time to consider making the switch to modern, energy-efficient windows. Your investment today can pay off in cost savings and peace of mind for years to come. If you're ready to explore your options, reach out to a local commercial window expert and see how a window upgrade could benefit your business.